Okay everybody, I have my 2015 Cadillac SRX and I fixed the problem with the car rough idling, randomly turning itself off or being unable to start. If you experience some of these symptoms, this may be the fix for you. I'll preface this by saying if this helps you, please like and subscribe. It's very helpful to me with what I'm doing here. What happened with my car here is we'd be driving it to the store down slow neighborhood streets. Car would suddenly shut off. We got it home, started it, had a rough idle, died, tried to start again, it wouldn't start at all. Odd thing was is we had no check engine light. Normally you get a code that shows you what's wrong, but I have a scanning tool. I scanned a little deeper and there was a pending code for the mass airflow sensor. I don't know why it didn't trigger as a hard code, but regardless, looks like the problem was the mass airflow sensor. So to change that is very easy, but before I buy a new one, which cost $40-50 on Amazon, first thing I would try is some mass airflow sensor cleaner. So to take the mass airflow sensor out, you come to your airbox here, you got your intake tube here, there's two Torx screws. Unscrew those, carefully slide the sensor out, don't lose your screws, and I would lay the sensor or take it off completely on a rag and use this mass airflow sensor cleaner. Spray it. It's highly volatile, so let it dry. I sometimes like this to let it sit overnight so that you don't put it back in wet, suck in some dust, and stick it full of dust again. Now obviously you have a filter here, that probably shouldn't happen, but just to be sure, that's how I like to do it. We tried that, it worked for about 3 weeks, and then the car started experiencing symptoms again. So went on Amazon. I can link the part number in the comments. I'm not sure if it shows it on here. Anyways, here's the new one. Same deal, unscrew it with the Torx screws, take it out, disconnect it carefully, don't break off your connection tabs here. Plug the new one in, insert it, and screw it back in. You don't have to Donkey Kong these screws, just tighten them a little bit. And several months since, we have not had the problem recur. So there you go. If you're having a problem with your Cadillac starting, if it's running rough, if it's dying suddenly, and you still don't see a code, chances are there's a pending code in there somewhere for the mass airflow sensor. So give that a try. If you have questions, ask in the comments. I'm always happy to respond. And like I said, please like and subscribe. It really helps me. Thanks, everyone.